So what is a footwear specification? The footwear specification is the instructions that you're going to give to a factory so that they can make your shoe the way you want it. It's also a contract. A specification is what you're buying when you purchase a shoe from a factory, right? Okay, who's this class for, right? This course is for any product manager, developer, designer, or brand builder that wants to get control of their design, right? Because your design's really not finished until you tell the factory everything about the shoe. And this is what separates, a great design from a great shoe, right? You could have a great design, but if there's no specification behind it, it's not going to be a shoe, right? So, again, hey, if you're a young designer and you're interviewing at a shoe brand for an internship or that first job, they're expecting you to be able to do great designs. But if you can pull out a detailed footwear specification, that's one less thing that they have to train you on, right? So that's why I think this course is really important for young designers, because if you can show that you know how to create a spec sheet like this to detail your design, you're really going to be ahead of the game. And a footwear specification is really, it's a challenge to get these things made, right? Because when you start a new design, you might not have all the details, but being able to create a specification and know what's available, what gaps you need to fill in is critically important as you work with the factory to finish your product. Now, a specification isn't just a drawing like this, right? It is all the views of your shoe. It's what last the shoe is made of, right? So in this course, we're going to detail what goes into a product specification. And actually, we're going to sit here at our desks with a shoe, and I'm going to show you exactly in real time we are going to make a product specification. Again, so this course is available standalone, but it's also part of the All Access Pass. So if you are building your own business and if you really want to turn yourself into a super designer, the All Access Pass is a great choice for you. And again, this piece of information is pretty critical for getting to that next level, right? If you're a designer, it's your next level. If you're a developer, this is what you're going to do every day, is make product specifications. So again, check it out.